It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior, where we make videos to help seniors understand technology and to stay safe while they're traveling. Today I want to briefly look at the emergency services available on your Android phone. I think this time that we're going to be heading out traveling, sometimes in very inclement weather, I think it's a good time to look at the services that we have on our phone and make sure they're properly activated. So let's have a look. All right, let's have a look at the safety and emergency settings on my Pixel 6 phone. Then we're going to come down here to safety and emergency settings. Let's click this. And here we have all our personal emergency settings. So let's go over the safety and emergency features on your Android phone to just familiarize with what is available and what you should be using. So as we come down, we're briefly going to look at each one. We have, of course, medical information. This is self-explanatory. So we have emergency contacts. These are people who you've designated to be called in event of an emergency. We have emergency SOS. Let's click this. And it's important that you understand that pressing the power button quickly 5 times or more will start an emergency sequence. Now, I'm not going to go into the details of this, but this will set up. You should familiarize this for the area you're in and how that will be connected to your emergency services, which is different depending on what country and where you are. Car crash detection, I have mine turned on. Again, this depends on where you are and what service you have connected to, but this will detect and notify emergency personnel in the case of a car crash. Crisis alerts, we have, of course, crisis alerts I have turned on. Get notified about natural disasters and public emergencies affecting your area. So you would normally want to keep this turned on. Emergency location services, so they know where you are. You broadcast exactly where your location is, and this is again the details here. But it depends again on the area and if it is supported by your services. If the supplemental emergency location service is supported in your region, when you call or text an emergency number, your device will automatically send its location. Again, I have that turned on. We have earthquake alerts. This is not available in my area, but in certain parts of the world, this is very important. You'll get a notification. Unknown tracker alerts. We've talked about this before, but this will alert you if there's someone tracking you illegally in your area. You can see if that's occurring, and you can actually scan now and see. And then we have, of course, wireless emergency alerts. That again, these would come mostly from the area that you live in. You can do extreme threats, severe threats, amber alerts, test alerts. Now, I have my test alerts turned off because one of the problems with it is that it keeps sending you notifications every, 10 seconds until you actually respond on the phone. So it can be very annoying if you're not immediately available to turn that off. So those are the emergency features on your Android phone that you should be familiar with when you're traveling. Have a look at those before you set out and travel on your Christmas vacation. These are important services that you should be aware of. It's Ron Brown. On behalf of Tech for Senior, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May you stay safe in your travels, and we'll see you in the new year for a lot more videos. And don't forget that like and subscribe, and we'll keep you posted as to all the new videos that are coming out. Have a great Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon.